Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you all how to make a satin pillowcase. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and fold your fabric in half. Everything that you will need for this video will be listed in the description box, but I'll just go ahead and tell you the amount of fabric I used was 1 yard. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and make a mark on the fold at 29 inches. So the next step is to take a yardstick or anything long that has a straight edge and make a mark all the way down to the end of the fabric. You can use either satin or silk for this pillowcase, but in this video I am using satin. I will link down below the difference between satin and silk, and you can choose whichever one that you would like for your pillowcase. Okay, so after you made your straight line, go ahead and grab your fabric scissors and cut all the way down to the edge. After doing that, the next mark we'll make will be at 19 inches. I know that I have a mark at 18 and 19, but go ahead and mark yours at 19 only. Now make another straight line just like so and cut. So I thought that I recorded the process of me marking my fabric at 1/2 inch and pinning it down all the way down to the edge, but I guess I missed and deleted it. So as you can see here, I just folded the fabric down at 1/2 inch and then I pinned all the way down horizontally. And truth be told, I did not do this, but you can fold it again once more. I would still leave it at about 1/2 inch, but I would kind of tuck the raw edge under, if that makes sense, so that the raw edge will not be exposed when you do open your pillowcase. And as you see, we won't do anything till the other end. Now at our sewing machine, we will be using a straight stitch, and the link to my sewing machine, as always, will be linked down below. Now when you're doing a straight stitch on the side that you just pinned, try your best to stay in the middle. This is an easy basic sewing tutorial for beginners, so just try your best, stay in the middle, and you'll be just fine. As a beginner tip, when you're sewing, make sure you do a back stitch before and at the end. This secures your thread in place so it will not become loose. This is what it will look like when you finish. So now what we would do is fold the fabric in half with the dual side facing outward. As you see, the side that we already sewed is lined up together. So now take a few pins and line your sides together just as I'm doing right here in the video. So as I said before, this is a beginner tutorial, so try your best right here to sew these stitches as close to the edge as possible. The side that we have already sewn is the open edge to insert our pillow, so you will not be sewing that again. Only sew just as I am doing in the video. Satin fabric is very slippery, so try to give it a firm hold when you're sewing. Now that we are done with those 2 stitches, our next step is to turn our pillowcase inside out and then insert our pillow, and we're completely done. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video.
Cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure.